for today's video, pupunta kami ni Kitty Pay sa Dalma Mall. It's my first time bibili ako ng regalo sa sarili ko. It's my gift for myself, right Kitty Pay? Yeah, after 5 years, bibili ako guys ng, what's that name Kitty Pay? Insta360 Go 3S. Yes, that's a new version guys. I think 5 months ago it's coming, right? Yes. So, first time ko guys after 5 years na akong nagba-vlog. Ngayon pa ako talaga bibili ng regalo sa aking sarili. Yes, kasi mostly pagdating sa mga ganyan, si Kitty Pay lang talaga ang bibili sa akin. So, ngayon, bibili na ako kasi parang deserve ko yan ngayon eh. Matagal lang yan gusto ni Kitty Pay actually. I think she like that 3 years ago. Gusto talaga niya yung bibilhin. Kaso ayaw ko eh. Hindi naman talaga ako mahilig sa gadgets. Kaso ngayon nauso na ang direct sa live ni YouTube. So kung magdala-live ako, wala akong magamit na ibang cellphone. Kasi yung isa kong camera, hindi siya maganda ang quality. So I decided na talaga na bibili ngayon. So pupunta kami ngayon guys sa Dalma Mall. Yes! At excited na din akong magamit yan sa first travel namin this coming 23. So ito yung isa. Na guys, the favorite place of Kitty Pay, the Dalma Mall. I don't know also why you select that. What golden chance? Kami guys sa Dalma Mall. Very excited na ako. So that is the first floor. Much people. I can see na. Dito na yung wish ko.
You installed?
My early Christmas gift. Kami bumili ng aking Christmas gift. Willing to unboxing na. Ready to unboxing. Guys, we stop over here. We stop over. After we buy this one. This is the one. And we buy gift for Acha and my shoes as usual. And then we will go here for the Nandos, but we decided to take away. Kasi hindi pa kami gutom ni Kitty Pay. The Dalma Mall. Ang ganda ng Christmas decor naman. Diba ang ganda? Hello! Pauwi na kami guys! At we're ready na ako mag-unboxing sa aking new toys in my studio. Yay! Guys, nandito na po. Ready to unboxing! After 5 years kong nag-YouTube guys, first time ko talaga mag-gift sa aking sarili. So actually, ito ang gusto ni Kitty Pay bilhin eh. So ito na po yung Insta360 Go 3S. So 5 months pa to guys bago na-release. So bago talaga to. Yes. So nabili to namin sa Grand Store and Dalma Mall. So wala talaga kaming plano guys na magbili. Actually nakita ko lang to kasi magta-travel kami this coming 23. So ay, ano ba ito i-unboxing dito? Oh my God. So this is my early Christmas gift for myself guys. Kasi every time si Kitty Pay ang nagre-regalo sa akin. So from now, this is all my money. Sorry, Kitty Pay.
All my daddy will pay.
See? Guys, I'm so excited for this. Seriously. It's like this, right? It's like this. See? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. See? Diba? See? I like the color white guys. Actually guys, pina-inquire lang ni Kitty Pay kung mayroon ba doon sa Dalma Mall na stock nito. So after tinawagan ko si Kabayan, only one left color white. They have too much stock but color black. But I like the white one. Kasi classic kasing tingnan ang white guys. See, tingnan nyo. Oh my goodness. See? Oh my God. So this is the camera, right?
That's sweet.
How I open this? Actually guys, I'm not prepared for this. So actually I want to watch pa this in tutorial how to doing this one. But Kitty Pay is too much excited. See this one. See, this is the screen guys. Actually this is a waterproof.
That's not waterproof. Only the camera is waterproof.
Only the camera is the waterproof. So I can use this camera in
Only
the...
the camera you can put in the water, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I'm willing now because we will go in Goa. Oh my God, then how to open this one? So I think guys, this is magnetic, right? This is the necklace. So guys, this is the necklace, guys. I wear like this. Yeah. Kitty Pie, thank you. Pray if it's all there in the kit. So it's there. We will not buy anything now. So this one, I think we put.
The box and just a check.
So this is the one, guys, right? So
You
this.
remove that
So I need to remove this.
front camera. Push the
This
camera
one?
out. Push the camera out. Push from
Okay.
the lens. Push from the lens.
This one.
From the lens. Take it out.
This one.
Push out.
Yeah. Yeah. See, this is the camera, guys. So this is the magnetic one.
Remove it.
Took this one.
Then put it in the chain.
This one we need to put here. Yeah. See, guys. Oh my goodness. So I can talk with you like this. So the good thing for this, guys, actually, that's why I buy this one because when we go travel, si Kitty Pie talaga, ayaw niya talaga mag-video sa akin. So I can put this one in my case
Keep
or
it inside the dress
suitcase.
and keep it outside.
Yeah. See, I
Put the
can
dress-
put this one.
Dress inside. Chain inside. Just.
Like this. See, they can talk this camera, guys. So this is 6
Which camera?
key. Yeah, here's the camera.
Remove the camera from there.
Yeah,
Remove it. Yeah, then put the chain inside.
this one.
Yeah, then put the camera outside.
Okay, so like this.
Yeah.
See. Oh my goodness! So this is also the screen, guys. So I can see everything kung ano ang ginagawa ko here in the video.
Right?
Right?
Also flip screen actually. It's like a 360 flip screen.
So this is not the one who is the waterproof Kitty Pie.
No, that's not it.
Yeah, so how to open this one here?
That's the sticker remove it.
Yeah, we need to remove the sticker, right?
Remove it.
Huh? Oh my God.
Wait. Don't break it.
Yeah, see, this is you can talk this one. You can off the one video. So this is the one, guys. See? Actually, guys, kumukuha siya ng isang cellphone for my Facebook. Yeah. Kasi gusto ko talaga dalawa, kaya nahirapan siya. So this is the one for my YouTube, of course. So this is the one, guys. Oh my goodness.
See?
Yeah, come here, show. Yeah, show me.
Selfie.
See, guys, see, this is the one, guys, is the screen. So, habang ako dito, guys, nag-video, nakikita ko dito kung anong ginagawa ko, namomonitor ko dito, guys. Why you wanna talk the what's this? So, like this? Yeah, see? Like this, guys. See? How to open this? Yeah. See? Oh my God, how we open
Give
this
me
one?
that. Remove it.
Yes, see. And then I think this is the Insta360, all the guides. And then the charger. Oh my God, I'm too much happy
Push
for
this
now.
before taking that piece, okay?
Yes. See? So this is the charger. Yeah. See? Okay. Oh my God. So that's it, guys. And I'm so excited for our travel. So wakas hindi na maha-high blood si Kitty Pie sa akin sa kakatake ng video sa akin. I can do this. See, guys? It's
Give me
good.
that piece.
Yeah, see? So ito, guys, para sa cup. Yeah, especially kung magbabike ako or kahit saan ako magpunta, ito, pwede kong gamitin. Ilagay lang to sa cup para hindi ka na mahirapan. Wait. Kitty Pie kasi, hindi natin ako tinulungan. Busy na siya sa trabaho niya. Kitty Pie, I don't know na how to do this. You want to help me? You will not help me. So, ilagay lang ko dito. Kanina nakita ko yun eh. Nilagay ko sa... Kitty Pie, you help me. I took it in the cup actually. Yeah, but it's not okay if I'm the one only who doing. I'm scared. After this will destroy.
Push that hands like this. This one, guys.
Yeah, see like this guys. Yeah, see for the cup. Yeah, if I do bike here in our villa, our compound. Yeah, lagay lang. So I can talk camera anywhere I like. Oh my god. Welcome to my vlog and that's all for my video guys. Bibili na kayo dito sa Insta63S. Yes. This is a new version. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone from the Yan Studio.